Hello, dear students. Good morning. This is Sunil sir. Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about visualizing the nation. Dear students, in 18th and 19th century, artists thought something new to represent these countries named personification. What is personification? Personification adding human characters to something non-human. These are the personifications. I think you have understand. For examples, you can also see, you all know about very well Amir Khan, the actor Amir Khan. After the movie Dangal, when he was called to be rewarded, he denied to go there. There is a award, prize. When these actors got that prize has a symbol. It shows some things. We got prize for the bravery, for the honesty, for our hard work, labors, like that. So there's pride is a symbol of any other things like that. We can say adding human character to something non-humans, that is personifications. In 18th and 19th century, female figure are selected as a symbol, which we also called allegory. In this topic, it's also very important to know allegory. What is allegory? Allegory is also, I have told it, a symbol. If we represent anything by any other symbols, then that is called allegory, as I told in personification. For examples, liberty. When we are talking about liberty, then at that time they used for liberty red cap or broken chain. Means if there is a red cap, it's mean liberty. If there is broken chain, it's mean there is liberty. So this is allegory. Female figure shows for liberty, justice, republics, etc. Like that, liberty I have told, red caps, broken chains, these are the symbol of liberty. Justice, we have seen in many movies or in many pictures, covered eyes, women has a weighing scales. This is the symbol of justice. This implication is called personification or allegory. Like that, it's very important to know that, like this, France is also symbolized as the named Marianne. These female figures is called Marianne. Means Marianne is the symbol of France. And Germania, this female figure called Germania and the symbol of Germany. So dear students, I hope you have understand about personification, adding human character to something on non-humans. I have told you that France France symbolized as Mariani, and the Germany is symbolized as a Germania. Okay, if you have any doubts, please comment me, and in our next video we will learn about nationalism and imperialism, and that will be our last topic of these chapters, and after that we will finish these chapters and we will start our next chapters. Thank you.